Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Force 1 07 Chili. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Air Force 1 07 Chili shoes, and this pair is in a men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in women's US size 11.5. And this pair is in a lemon wash, university red, magma orange, lemon wash colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper, which has some artwork print to it. And let's further peel back the inner wrapping paper to reveal the Nike Air Force 1 07 Chili. And let's lift up the right shoe as well as the left shoe, so we can have a look at the shoes right out of the box. And I'm just going to close the box back up. And setting it to the side. And just going to set the right shoe to the side and in the background as we focus on the left shoe first. So giving you a look at the Nike Air Force 1 07 Chili. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear view of the shoe. And taking a closer in look at the details of the shoe, you can see the main lemon wash panels on the upper with an extremely fine grain leather, very smooth to the touch, and of course the suede university red blended with some magma orange toe box and midfoot panels. So you can see the graduation of the colouring around the midfoot as well, or midsole. So taking some closer in look. And towards the heel area we see an embroidered chili with a slight reflective sheen. And taking a look at the shoe from the back, you can see the black Nike Air embroidery on the heel tab once again with that graduated or tonal university red and magma orange colouring. And on the inner side of the shoe, once again we see the lemon wash panels and even of course the Nike swoosh in that matching colour. So a mixture of smooth and coarse textures across the upper of the shoe. And now let's take a look from the tip or front or toe of the shoe towards the back. And we can see the green or chlorophyll ankle and heel collar and inner lining. Let's take a closer look at the details of the tongue label or patch. So you can see the Nike Air Force One with anniversary edition embroidered on it. And we can see on the aglets of the laces the green or chlorophyll colouring. So let's pop the stuffing out so we can have a better look inside. And of course at the back of the tongue as well. So giving you a look at the details with the Nike branding as well as the inner shoe labels. And of course the insole or sock liner with that chili or chili pepper on the heel of it. So just setting or moving that stuffing to the side, and once again taking an all-round look at the shoe, and of course to give you some sense of the padding as well, or bolstering around the ankle and heel. So with a light to medium level of firmness and thickness around the ankle and heel collar. And now let's take a look at the sole or bottom of the shoe. And we can see that it is in a beige or light brown or tan color. And of course made out of rubber. And we can see the star studded pattern for traction around the front of the shoe, and taking a look right throughout the entire length, and we see the same repeating star studded pattern for its traction pattern on the outer edges of the heel. Of course, in the midfoot, we see the Nike branding. And to give you some idea of the firmness or softness of this rubber sole, just dragging my finger across the surface. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the stiffness or softness of the shoe and how it responds. So twisting with a great amount of pressure. So much effort is required to bend or twist the shoe. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So just setting the left shoe down and in the background so it doesn't interfere once again as we take a look at the left shoe or right shoe. So taking a look top down and up close at the different aspects of the shoe. So once again we see the beige rubber sole, and at the heel once again we see that embroidered red chili with the green stem or top. Right there, the overall details. And taking a look at the tongue patch, so once again we see the Nike Air Force One and the anniversary edition on it. So celebrating 40 years of the Nike Air Force One. And once again popping off the stuffing in the shoe so we have a better look at the inside details behind the tongue, as well as the inner lining and sock liner with once again that red chili and Nike swoosh right below it. And now let's take a look at the pair together side by side, the Nike Air Force One 07 Chili. And from the front to the back. And directly from the back. And of course the bottom or soles of the shoe. So that's the Nike Air Force One 07 Chili. Thanks for watching and happy walking!